If you're like most people and you're using HighLevel, at some point your HighLevel is going to freeze and you're going to see those dreaded 9 dots just circling and circling and circling. In this video, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can fix that and some issues that you might come into that might be causing that. Coming up next. We have an awesome SaaS Pro Facebook group. We also have guides in here. We give away lots of free stuff. So be sure to jump in our Facebook group, facebookgroup.com/groups/SaaS Pro, and we'll see you inside the group. So you've got those spinning dots. If you're like me and probably half of America, you're opening up a million windows. I do it all the time, and I'll look and I'll see that I've got tons of windows open and all of a sudden it freezes. So that's what really causes that, or something could be causing it inside of any of your Chrome extensions. If you have a Chrome extension, that could be the minor problem. But let's go ahead and fix it first. And my recommendation is to keep between 1 and 2 windows open at any time. That usually works the best. Now, when it freezes, the first thing everyone says to do is hard refresh. That's Control-Shift-R on a Windows or Command-Shift-R on a Mac. So we try that, still doesn't work. All right, if it still does not fix the problem, the next place to go to is your little lock right here. When you click on the lock in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see a section that says cookies and site data. When we see this, we're going to have to clear all of these out. Once we clear all of these out, you will have to log back in. What we want to do is click on Manage Cookies, and when you do, you're going to want to delete all of these cookies that are currently in use, and then when you're done, it's going to reset, it's going to knock you out, you're going to have to re-log back in. When you log back in, problem should be fixed. But if you do still have an issue, then you want to go to your Chrome extensions. 9 times out of 10, those first 2 fix it. If you are on a Windows 11, you may need to go ahead and restart your computer or do a disk cleanup. And that's real simple to do. You just go into settings, you search disk cleanup, and when you click open, it'll open your disk cleanup, and you want to remove any temporary files that you have. Doesn't take very long to do a disk cleanup. Once I do that, then I reset my system just to make sure everything is working properly, and that usually fixes it. You may have other Chrome windows open, so be sure to close all the Chrome windows that you have open so that way you can reopen, restart, and log back in. I know it's a pain with the 2-step authentication, but that's your last resort. Again, if you have problems, leave a comment below. I have a feeling once you do this, it's going to fix it for you. If you like my spinning icon and you want to make yours your own, go to the Marketer's Toolkit and sign up to customize your dashboard. It's only $97 a month, and you can customize your software to give it the look and feel of your brand. If you like what you saw and it helped, please click that little like or leave me a comment and tell me awesome it worked for you. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this on my channel, helping you with HighLevel and awesome things that you can do as a SaaS Pro. Oh, and don't forget, you can jump into our Facebook group too. Check it out.